In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for streamlining your business operations, allowing you to seamlessly sync your sales data and financials between these two powerful platforms. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to visit the Shopify App Store. To do this, open your web browser and type in the URL for the Shopify App Store. Once there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. In this search bar, type in QuickBooks. This search will bring up a list of apps related to QuickBooks integration with Shopify. Take a moment to browse through the options, but our focus today is on the QuickBooks Online app. Once you see QuickBooks Online in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page, where you can find detailed information about its features and how it integrates with Shopify. It's always a good idea to review this information to ensure it meets your business needs. On this page, you should see an option to add or install the app. Click the button to begin the installation process. After clicking to install, you'll need to follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store with QuickBooks Online. During this process, you'll be asked to log into your QuickBooks Online account to authorize the connection. Make sure you have your QuickBooks login credentials handy, as you'll need them for this step. Once you're logged in, you'll have the opportunity to configure the settings for how data is synced between Shopify and QuickBooks. Pay close attention to these settings, as they determine how your sales data, customer information, and inventory levels are transferred between the two platforms. It's important to note that the initial setup might require you to map certain fields between Shopify and QuickBooks. Mapping involves aligning the data fields in Shopify with those in QuickBooks, ensuring that information is accurately transferred. Take your time with this step, as it will help prevent data discrepancies down the line. Once the setup is complete, your Shopify store will now be connected to QuickBooks Online, and data will start syncing automatically based on the settings you've configured. This integration can save you significant time by automating the transfer of sales and inventory data, reducing the need for manual entry and minimizing errors. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Shopify to QuickBooks Online. With this integration, you can now enjoy a more streamlined business process, keeping your financials up to date effortlessly. If you encounter any issues or need further customization, both Shopify and QuickBooks offer support resources to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your business efficiency.